welcome to my channel again, and this is Wenlyn. Naglakbay na po ko, dili na sa kusina ko nag-vlog. Isuroy na po ko sa akong partner, ambot asa ko niya dalon. Yan na po kong lingawon. Uutan ka siya, oy. This is the beginning of my journey. Gidala na po ko sa kagubatan ni Eric. Eric, bring me in the forest because to see the monkeys. We can only hear the sounds of the bird. So nice to walk. Look at that. We will go here. Even it's raining. Hala pa dayon sa baktas. These are the baby's breath flowers. Sa Pilipinas, baligya ni patamahala. Diri na ara sa kalsada o pwede ko manguha. Wow, it's a veil. Oh, look at that. Libre diri, libre. This is the donkey that I'm looking for. I finally found. This is the donkey. Palito na ko ni. Palito na ko ning isa. Kani duol sa kuha, oh. Hello, donkey. Ik heet Wenlyn. How heet je? Wow. Lapalito ni Eric ba para sa ako, ah. My love, the white one I like. Yeah. I will buy this. The 3. I will bring it at home. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, so long here, huh? I have to cut your hair. Yeah. It's a picture, my love. You make picture for me. This is the beginning. We are going to walk. He said 20 kilometers, but I want 40 kilometers, you know. So, yeah, I'm happy walking with Eric. It's so nice. Huh? So nice to walk here. Look at the trees. Yeah? So nice. It's beautiful to walk. Wala na'y ulan. So ni Hunong, the rain is stopping. It's so nice. Look at this. The 97. What is 97 twist? Look at that. What a beautiful tree. So nice here. You can see it. That's why I like in the forest to walk rather than in the city. Nag-survey ko sa akong uma. Pero akong uma, oh, giulan. Tanom kog mais, patanom kog mais kinsay gusto mo tanom kay tag 500 ang oras. Ha? Mudagan pa siya auto-auto. I love. Mudagan pa dito auto. Wow. Ganda. Ang akong lalaki ni tago sa kahoy. Hiding, hiding. Winnie. Baktas ko sa ulan, eh. Tanawa ra gud na. Ako sa kaumahan. Ako sa kaumahan. Beautiful kaayo ang view. Nice. Ulan. So nice to walk here. Pindot siya kaayo. Bisag ulan. It's raining, Pero padayon lang yapon ko. Sa paglakaw, kaaro makita na ako ang unggoy. Katong giingon ni Eric ba? Na di unggoy diri lima ka buok tiin sa banalima. Uy. Where is Eric? Wow. Where is Eric? My love! Oh! Oh! Wala, nalibang siya. Nalibang ka, pupo. Pop, my love. Hello, it's making poop. My love, you making poop. It's making poop. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Until next time, bye.